Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about automating certain kind of functions or tools in QGIS. Specifically, we'll be looking at how to clip layers together. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, we're going to import OS. We're going to define our layers. So for this instance, we're going to define a clipped and input layer, but first we're going to define the input layer. So input layer equals QGIS project.instance parentheses dot map layers by name. And you need to follow this exactly. You need to capitalize the proper letters, and we'll type out the name of our layer. So that would be input layer and an index of 0. And then basically exactly the same thing for the clip layer. So we'll do clip layer equals QGIS project.instance parentheses map layers by name. This time we'll put in its proper name over here on the left. So it'll be clip layer index 0. And we said clip layer instead of clip layer, so we're going to have to redo that. Hit enter. And we misspelled instance again. We didn't catch it the first time, so we're going to do that again. Instance. Map instance. And there we go, it worked. We're going to find an output path by typing out output path equals os.get current working directory, that's cd parentheses, and output name, which is just going to be output name equals output layer. Now we're going to find our parameters that we're going to clip our polygons by. So to do this, we're going to type out params equals open bracket indent parentheses quotation marks input. Now after our quotation marks, we're going to put a colon and type in our input layer name, input layer, comma, tab in again, overlay, colon, clip layer, input, tab one more time, output, colon, output path. I'm going to add our output name. I'm going to add the SHP file at the end. Now we're going to close our curly brackets. And finally, I'm going to run this process. We're going to type out processing.run. And then in parentheses, we're going to type out native clip, because we're going to clip it, comma, params, no quotation marks. So ran our process. Now we're going to find our layer called output layer. So we're going to type in output layer equals GS vector layer. Now inside our parentheses, we're going to define the sort of basically where our output is located. So we're going to type out output path plus output name plus .shp, plus shp, put that in quotes. I'm going to give it a name, output name, and OGR. So there we go, we defined our output layer. And finally, what we're going to do is we're going to add this to our map. So for example, we're going to do QGIS project instance misspelled instance again. Dot add map layer. It's different from add map layers by name that we used earlier, but again, this one's going to be add map layer. We're adding one layer. And just add output layer. Let's see. QGIS vector layer has been deleted. Alright, let's see what happened. Okay, so it looks like we misspelled our output layer object, so we're going to type out QGIS project dot instance parentheses add map layer. Now we're going to type out output layer. Now, as you can see, we just created a new output layer. Fortunately, again, just to reiterate what we did here, this one did not match our output layer or variable or object, or well, basically it didn't match this initially, because again we had this part just didn't match this part, so we had to reference this part again. Again, if we look at our output layer, let's move it up for it. We can see that it clearly kind of overlaps. You can see the overlap here, and if you remove the input and clip layer, you can see it by itself. So yeah, that was how you automate, or not automate, but script through the clipping tool. For many tools, it's quite similar, but I think that's it for now. I may do some more videos about kind of what kind of tools can be automated in Python, but as far as today goes, I think this will be about it. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.